Okay, synthetic division. So, ito po yung sinasabi ko na magdi-divide tayo ng polynomials pero mas madali po ito kaysa sa long division. Bakit? Kasi ang kailangan po lang natin dito is the coefficient of the polynomials. So, synthetic division is a process that makes use of numerical coefficients in dividing polynomials, in which the divisor is a binomial in form x minus c. So magagamit lang po itong synthetic division kapag ang divisor is highest degree is 1. Okay po. Hindi na siya pwede kapag 2 na. So kapag ka nagdi-divide kayo ng synthetic division, make sure na naka-decreasing power. Same lang sa long division, hindi ko po nasabi. Nasa long division, kailangan po naka-decreasing power. And then, insert zeros as coefficient of the missing terms of each polynomial if necessary kapag may nawawala. For example, x cubed plus x cubed tas naging constant agad. Dapat may x squared x muna yun, di ba? So, mag-i-insert kayo ng zeros as coefficient doon kapag may nawawala. Kasi pag hindi nyo po nilagay yun, mamamali kayo sa pag-divide ng polynomial. So now, let us have an example. Yung example ko dito is same lang yung example dun sa long division. Okay po. Okay, so we have example x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 6 divided by x minus 2. So ito pong mahaba na to. Ito, tawag po natin dyan is the dividend. Po. And itong maikli na to, yung pinagdi-dividean natin is the divisor. Okay po. So now, pag nagdi-divide po kayo ng synthetic, ng polynomial using synthetic, maglalagay po kayo ng gantong sign. Po, kanyang sign. And then, ano ba yung ilalagay mo dyan? Dito po, titingin kayo sa divisor. If the constant of the divisor is negative 2, ang ilalagay nyo po dito is positive 2. So, saan po nakuha yon? I-equate nyo lang sa 0 yan. So, scratch x minus 2 is equals to 0. Get the value of x or transpose. Magiging positive 2. So, dun po nakuha yung positive 2. So, now, i-bring down mo naman yung mga coefficients ng dividend. So, ano bang coefficient ng x cubed? That is 1 pag wala kayo nakita. Coefficient ng negative 4x squared, that is negative 4. Coefficient ng 3x, that is 3. And then, the constant. Okay po. So, now, maglalagay kayo ng ganyang line. First, bring down the first coefficient. And then, pagka bring down mo, divide mo naman sa ating divisor. 1 times 2, that is 2. And negative 4 plus 2, that is negative 2. Negative 2 times 2, that is negative 4. And 3 minus 4, that is negative 1. And negative 1 times 2, that is negative 2. And then add. Same sign, so add and keep the sign. Negative 6 and negative 2, that is negative 8. So, ang tawag po natin sa dulo na to is the remainder. So, kung napansin nyo, same din sa long division, negative 8 din yung nakuha natin. So, ito pong nasa dulo, yung pa dito, tawag natin dyan is the remainder. And then, kapag pa ganun na, ganito yung tatandaan nyo. First, yung katabi ng remainder is the constant. Yung katabi naman ng constant is the x. Yung katabi ng x is the x squared. So, pag nilagay nyo yan as the polynomial, magiging x squared minus 2x and then the constant. And then, para ilagay nyo yung final answer, kukunin nyo lang negative 8 and then sa baba yung original divisor which is the x minus 2. So, ito na po yung ating final answer. Same lang sa long division, ganyan din magsulat ng final answer. Sa numerator, yung nakuha yung remainder and then sa baba yung divisor. Okay po. So, para mas maintindihan pa ang synthetic division, let us have an example pa. Okay, next example, we have 3x, this is x cubed. 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8 divided by x plus 2. So, may napansin ba kayo? So, kung napansin nyo is parang may kulang sa ating dividend kasi 4x squared naging constant agad. Dapat may x pa yan. So, ang gagawin nyo, maglalabas kayo ng insert zeros. So, magiging 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 0x plus 8 divided by x plus 2. So, ganyan na po. Mag-i-insert kayo ng zeros kapag may nawawalang term sa polynomial. Kasi pag di kayo naglagay, mawamali po kayo sa pagdi-divide using synthetic division. Same as long division. So, now let us put the sign. And then, kung ito ay positive 2, magiging negative 2 naman dito. So, kung negative 2 yan, magiging positive 2. So, now, bring down the numerical coefficient of the dividend. We have 3, 4, 0, and then 8. Then maglalagay kayo ng line. Bring down the first term, which is 3. 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6. 4 minus 6, that is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. 0 plus 4, that is 4. 4 times negative 2, that is negative 8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. So, ang tawag po natin dito sa nakuha natin is the remainder. And then, pag ganun na, lagi niyong tandaan, yung katabi ng remainder is the constant. Katabi ng constant is x. Katabi ng x is x squared. Kumbaga pataas. So, ang ating quotient is 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. And then, kapag 0 yung remainder, di na po nilalagay ng ganyan-ganyan dito. So, ito na po yung final answer natin. 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. So, ganyan lang po mag-divide ng polynomials using the synthetic division. Thank you for watching.